Hey guys, Sid Mumini here at Toyota Town. Today I'm very excited to show you the new 2021 Toyota Sienna. The Sienna family offers 5 trim levels: LE, XLE, XSE, Limited, and Platinum. Standard hybrid powertrain. Standard blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert. Available 1500 watt inverter enough to power small appliances and power tools. Available hands-free dual powered sliding side doors and liftgate with power close functionality. Powered exclusively by hybrid drivetrain. Available ECVT front wheel drive and ECVT electronic on-demand all-wheel drive. LED projector headlights and vertical LED accent lights. First ever luxury platinum and sporty XSE grade. Loads of safety, convenience and comfort, and of course efficiency. Estimated MPG on front wheel drive 36 miles per gallon. 35 city, 36 highway and 35 combined. On all-wheel drive, the 4th generation Sienna boasts ample space for passengers and cargo alike. Toyota Safety Sense 2.0 pre-collision system, lane departure assist, automatic high beams, road sign assist, lane tracing assist, dynamic radar cruise control, audio multimedia, Apple CarPlay compatibility, Android Auto, Amazon Alexa, Sirius XM radio with 3-month all-access trial, available dynamic navigation. Connected services: Safety Connect, Service Connect, Remote Connect, Wi-Fi Connect, and Destination Assist. Power tilt and slide moonroof. Alright guys, this is it for today. Leave a comment below, let me know which Toyota vehicle you'd like to see next. And don't forget to subscribe and smash the notification button, like and share.